Hello again, friends. It's Matt with Lighting Warehouse, and today we're tackling a question we hear all the time. I want to light my yard. Where do I start? And the short answer is you don't start with fixtures. You start with a plan. Let's break that down step by step. Step 1, start with the house and work outward. The best place to start any lighting project is right at the house, not out in the yard. Your home is the anchor of the lighting system. It's where the power originates. It's what you see the most at night, and it sets the tone for everything else. This usually means starting with entryways, front porches, garage areas, back patios, or decks. If these areas are dark, the rest of the yard won't matter much. Step 2, decide what needs to be lit first. Safety before style. Once you've identified the main areas around the home, the next question is, what actually needs light to function safely? This typically includes walkways and sidewalks, steps and elevation changes, driveway transitions, and areas people move through regularly at night. Low voltage uplights and downlights are often the foundation of a good system. However, low voltage path lights and step lights can be used to light up pathways and transitions if the ambient light from the other accent lights is not sufficient. They're not meant to flood the space with light. They're there to guide people naturally and reduce trip hazards. If you get this part right, everything else becomes easier. Step 3, identify how you use the space at night. Now we go from safety to usability. Ask yourself, where do we sit at night? Where do we grill or entertain? Where do people gather? This is where fixtures like downlights, area lights, and wall-mounted options come into play. These lights provide usable illumination without glare and make outdoor spaces feel like an extension of the home, not just a yard with lights in it. Step 4, add depth with accent lighting. Once the functional lighting is covered, this is where landscape lighting really comes alive. Accent lighting adds depth, contrast, and visual interest by highlighting trees, washing walls or fences, accenting architectural features, creating focal points in the landscape. Uplighting trees, for example, gives your yard height and dimension, while subtle accent lights keep the space from feeling flat or empty after dark. This is also where professional-grade fixtures and proper beam angles make a big difference. Step 5, choose the right low-voltage system. Now that you know what you want to light, it's time to talk about how it's powered. A low-voltage lighting system with a transformer is the backbone of a reliable outdoor lighting setup. It allows you to power multiple fixtures safely, control light levels and zones, expand the system over time. Step 6, decide how much control you want. This is where more recent product innovation gives you options. Some homeowners want simple on and off operation with a timer or photocell. Others want smart lighting that allows app-based control, individual zoning, dimming, scheduling. If you want maximum flexibility, color-changing fixtures let you customize your yard for seasons, holidays, or events, all without changing the physical lights. The important part is choosing this before you buy the fixtures, so everything works together properly. Step 7, build in phases if needed. One of the biggest advantages of low voltage lighting is that you don't have to do everything at once. Many people start with the front yard or main gathering area, then add trees, pathways, or side yards later. With the right transformer and layout, your system is designed to expand, not be replaced. So where do you start? You start by anchoring the lighting at the house, covering safety and movement first, lighting usable spaces next, adding accent lighting for depth, choosing a low voltage system that fits your goals. That's how you get a yard that looks intentional, balanced, and professionally lit, not pieced together. We have the fixtures, transformers, smart controls, and color-changing solutions to help you build the right system from the start. Buy it all today at Lighting Warehouse.